Welcome everyone. PepaDB is a web platform for archaeologists studying personal ornaments. Think about beads, pendants, and other objects. From prehistoric sites across the world, it aggregates thousands of records from centuries of field work in one searchable interactive database. Let's proceed to the database, the main part of the website. As you can see, researchers can filter by numerous criteria. Every URL acts as a shareable link, so you can share it with other researchers if you may wish. Every query also starts exactly the same if you do so. Clicking any record opens the site detail page, which gives you some additional information about the site, and you can also drill down into specific items, which also shows additional item level details which you may want to have. You can also download it, reorder the columns, deselect columns, and download it in your favorite type. From the database page, we can navigate to the map, but let's first select a material. Let's say amber. The map and the database are synced. The map provides spatial boundaries, as well as the database providing the filters, which are synced both ways. Let's go to the map to view the results. Here are all sites that have amber as a material. We can quickly click on View Records, since some sites don't have spatially referenced records. We can visualize it in numerous ways: individual markers, let's say, clustered counts, which we've already seen, or even a heat map layer on top that you can adjust to your preference. Because our archaeological coordinates are sensitive, PepaDB deliberately randomizes them to provide real security of our client, so the platform shares spatial patterns without exposing real data. From the map, you can navigate to the Predict section. It allows you to use two machine learning models which have integrated explainable AI in them. We would like to choose Vortex, then, of course, the classifier sensitivity, the decision boundary. I already have preloaded the dataset, which allows you to store your datasets for a few hours while you investigate. And then let's run the analysis. As we can see, analysis results quite confident. And we also have the Shep Beeswax plot, as well as the Shapley interactive value plot, showing which features led to the prediction. Taken together, our platform allows researchers to do the work that they want to do, abstracting away all of the data stuff that generally gets in the way. It provides capabilities across database, map, as well as machine learning. Thank you for watching.